How to reset a password with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset a password with TurboTax. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for TurboTax. Click on the very first website. Once you land here, you want to enter your phone number, email, or user ID. After this, click on the sign in option. Now, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the text a code option in order to log in. If you want to reset your password, go ahead and click on the forgot password option. Here you will have different options. I'm going to select the one that says email a code. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Go ahead and check that. Now you want to copy the verification code. Head back over to TurboTax website. Then paste the code over here. Now click on the continue option. Now you will get to update your password. For that, enter your new password. Then click on the update password option, and in this way you can reset TurboTax password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.